The TKA 38-700 is a 38-ton-meter knucklebone crane. Its rated load capacity is 40,455 pounds at a 6.6 feet radius, while its effective load capacity is 15,432 pounds at a 15.7 feet radius. It possesses 6 hydraulic extensions that allow a horizontal reach of 53.1 feet, lifting a maximum load of 3,615.6 pounds. Its vertical hydraulic reach is 65.9 feet, lifting loads of 6,261 pounds. With the use of 2 mechanical extensions, it can have a horizontal reach of 68.6 feet, lifting a maximum load of 2,204 pounds, and a vertical reach of 80.4 feet, lifting a maximum load of 2,204.6 pounds. The maximum opening of its front stabilizers is 19.7 feet, with 180-degree folding support jacks. The maximum opening of its rear stabilizers is 16.4 feet, with manually foldable support jacks. All stabilizers and jacks are hydraulically actuated and can be controlled from a single lever located on the hydraulic command. The dry weight of this machine is approximately 9,524 pounds, which allows it to be mounted on 27.6 short-ton trucks. It has a working pressure of 4,061 pounds per square inch, and the angle of rotation of its base is 400 degrees. The gears of the column rotation system have a greater number of teeth compared to other manufacturers. These characteristics allow the weight of the crane to offer less resistance and generate less noise when rotating the column. The sleeves of the swing cylinder have a chrome coating inside, thanks to which it prevents oxidation and leaks. The swing cylinder does not require periodic 360-degree turns for internal lubrication. The crane possesses physical characteristics that enable and improve its performance, such as the connecting rods. These are located on the first and second arm and achieve load curves that enable work at heights where the distance between the load and the crane must be maintained. A pump feeds the hydraulic system, and the oil is stored in a 37-gallon tank. An electric cooler regulates the temperature of the oil automatically, maintaining its properties throughout its useful life. Besides the auxiliary manual controls, the crane also has a remote control with 5 levers for turning, lifting, tilting, extension, hydraulic winch actuation, and other accessories. It also offers the function of deadman, emergency stop, speed regulation between hare and turtle, and on and off of the engine switch. An important tool is a communication cable, which allows the crane to continue to be used in places where the use of radio signals is regulated or prohibited, such as in airports, hospitals, military bases, nuclear power plants, or simply when there is no possibility to recharge the remote-controlled batteries. Similarly, the system allows the reading of fault codes and downloading of historical information on the use of the hydraulic crane. The work light works as a visual indicator of the current load of the crane. Green at 80%, amber at 90%, and red at 100%. This information is also found on the remote control display and next to the hydraulic command. When exceeding 100% of its capacity, the load limiter automatically stops all crane functions, except retraction. Another important tool is an inclinometer, which indicates the longitudinal and transversal inclination of the truck. It serves to determine the degree of stability offered by the equipment in relation to the horizon. The siren sends auditory signals when the crane is performing a specific activity, such as turning the column. The emergency stop disables the main functions of the crane for when it must be stopped unexpectedly. It is located under remote control and next to the hydraulic control. The type of paint used on TKA cranes is the same that is used in the automobile industry. It has high resistance to aggressive environments or extreme working conditions, while also providing a fine finish. An important accessory of the crane is a hydraulic winch with a 164 feet long cable, a useful tool in all industries since it allows the crane to carry out various tasks, such as maneuvers behind walls and buildings, on slopes and ravines, exploration and changes of drilling bits in mining and oil, maintenance of water wells located in the phreatic zone, installation of trusses in construction, and many other applications. The crane has a warranty for the structural part and another one for the hydraulic system. The delivery of the crane includes an operations manual and a parts book.